Welcome back to Dream Car Garage, the latest and greatest automotive channel on YouTube, where we're going to be showcasing some of the world's most beautiful vehicles and driving them like we stole them.
President want me to do him a favor. Some kind of top secret mission or something.
Oh, you mean like 007?
Yeah, except only I'm gonna be 009 and a half. Hey, I'm seeing what you seeing. I see me looking at you looking at me. I like this.
Thank you for watching the video. I definitely appreciate your time. If you like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and it helps to show my videos to more people on YouTube, because it shows them that you guys like my stuff. Now, definitely comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your dream car is. Let me know what you thought of my design, what you would do different. You never know. Your dream car might just end up in the next video. Thanks again, and have a great day.